Hey, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be showing you how to do split screen in Call of Duty Modern Warfare.
Yeah, so remember to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell.
First up, you're going to need two controllers, so just turn one on. You're already logged into the game. And then you're going to need two accounts on your Xbox. Alright. One of your accounts has to have the game on the Xbox. You don't have to buy it 2 times, you just have to buy it once. So sign in with whatever kind you want. Right, then you get into the game. And now that you're in, you can say, let's see, 1 out of 20 in your party thing, and add controller for split screen. Alright, so you get your second controller, turn it on, and then do the same step.
You press A to sign in to your second controller.
No, don't. But now select your second account.
Yeah.
Alright, and then sign in.
Privacy purposes.
Yeah, you feel me? Yeah. So I don't get scammed, whatever. Alright, now you can see after you have the account, there's 2 out of 20. But for both your accounts, you're going to need the Activision account that Call of Duty makes for you. So you have to make 2 Activision accounts, 2 Xbox accounts, and you need 2 controllers, for split screen. Right, so only multiplayer supports split screen, because other modes do not. So go to multiplayer. Alright, see? Now you have 2 people in the party. But there's still some filters, like only certain things. Most of these work. The only ones that don't work is like 10v10 and all that. So let's show you how it looks like in the game. So we just got into a game, as you can see on TV, and it's gonna be split horizontally. Whoever signed in first is the top, second sign in is on the bottom.
Yeah, and first person is on the top. Yeah.
Alright, that's it for this video. So I hope you know how to split screen on Call of Duty Modern Warfare, and we're probably gonna do a video on us 1v1ing. So hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you know when that's coming out.